Good evening, guys. How are you? I hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on the new video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Today I want to show you how we can do some ultra hit and run scalping on 1 minute time frame and 5 minute time frame as well. This will be really useful for you. You will be able to make some trading the whole day, but of course when you are going to trade the whole day, you keep in mind that you are just aiming a few pips. Every trade, let's say about 5 to 10 pips, and that's it, close the trade. Scalping on 1 minute time frame is somehow risky, and it might take some time for the profits to appear, but the most important thing is don't rush and be sure it's coming back. It's coming to you, don't worry. If you are analyzing correctly, it's coming to you. So the golden rule in trading on 5 minute and 1 minute time frame is simple. Buy low. Buy low and sell high. What does that mean? That means that you never place sell at a lower level or at a support, and never place buy on a high level or as a resistance. You always think about buying the low and selling the high. For example, at this point here, now the candles are going up, I can never sell buy here. The only thing I can do is placing sell, and yes, I know that this is the definition of going against the trend. I'm aware about it, but that's what I'm doing, and it's successful for me, and it's helping me a lot. Only if you know what you are doing. There is another golden rule to follow, which is the hit and run strategy rules, which is wait for a breakout. Yeah, for example, like this. Chart is like this. So you just need to wait. We see here the resistance number 1, resistance number 2. Then wait for the breakout, and then wait for this resistance to become the new support. So this is support number 1, and we enter at support number 2. We can enter on support number 1, of course, only if we see that this level was also a support in the past. So we just need to check the past, even on either on 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, daily time frame, whatever time frame it is. Just check that this level was indeed a support, and then you can enter again as attempt number 2. For example, this one right in front of you. We can see here, now I'm on the 15-minute time frame for the GBP USD. We can see the reversal here happened. This is support number 1, support number 2, a breakout, the candles breakout, and look at that. Check it out. Open your eyes. Open your eyes, guys. Look at that. This is the breakout, and this is resistance number 2. This bounce here, look at that. The candle went all the way down, came up, and then fall more down like this. So if you look carefully, we can see, if we can read the candles properly, this was the resistance number 1. Therefore, what I'm going to do now is enter on the attempt number 2. This is resistance number 2. And if we entered correctly, I can look for a reversal to reach this support here. So what I'm going to do now, I will do something really interesting. I'm going to send this signal to my Telegram group on my premium signal channel. So this is my premium extreme signals, and we can see that we are sharing there the setups. Yesterday we ended with 35 pips as total, and the day before we ended it You can see I'm sending scalping signals, 4 pips profit, and sometimes before yesterday we closed with 23 pips profit. Let me show you some good signals we have sent recently. 6 pips profit, 7 pips profit, and we closed the day with 30 pips total, 7 pips profit, 11 pips profit. So far we are doing very well. And right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this signal to my group. So let me take a screenshot, go to the paint. This is the GBP USD because I have another screen. It's recording on the other screen also. Hold it. Alright, so wait, I missed, I deleted also. Yes, this one I need to keep it. The levels. Alright, cool. So let's see. Actually, what it's okay. I'll keep it. Place sell at 1.3191. Okay, and take profit TP at let me confirm the level first. It should be on 1.31642. 1.31642, right? Yeah, right. Okay. Okay. And the stop loss will be just stop loss at 1.3205. Alright. So by this we are aiming about 30 pips, almost 30 pips, 29 pips from this one trade. And I will mention that this is GBP USD on 15-minute time frame. Therefore now my members will be ready to place this trade, and now I'm going to send it. Sell. Alright, cool. GBP USD. Okay, done. Again, let me just confirm one more time. Yes, perfect. It was a resistance in the past and it's going to reverse. It was a strong support also. Check 4 hours. Yes, perfectly done. It was indeed a strong resistance here, and we can see it's about to become here also a resistance. Let me go more to the left just to confirm before sending. We can see that it was also a resistance. The thing is, I see it was most likely a support only. You can see it's accurate as a support, but as a resistance, it's not so accurate. Anyway, I'm going to send it. I think the setup is strong. And yes, it should be sent. Yeah, I'm expecting a small reversal. And I'm going to send the signal right away. GBP USD. Therefore. There you go. So the signal now is ready. Let's see what will gonna happen, and let's hope for the best. Just a small reversal. That is what I'm doing. So now this signal was sent. I will set now pending order. So I will enter while recording. Okay, now back to our video title. Scalping using 5 minute and 1 minute. again what I said to you guys, look at this now. GBP USD now is in good place for sell, and that's why I will wait for the candle to reach here. If you refer to my old video or my last video, if you refer to my last video, you can know why am I placing sell here, because I see that the resistance has been formed perfectly in the right spot, and the candle will not break that level most likely, not right now. At least there should be some reversal to give me some profit right before the candle reverse again and go more up. So let me now search for another scalping setup. What I'm looking for is, I'm looking to see the candle is at the top of a resistance or a support. For example, now here. Now look at this. Candle has reached this level of a support, switched to the 1 minute, and we can see that we have good spot for buying, and I bought it. Take profit at the next nearest support. So I place buy here, and my take profit will be at the next nearest support, which is this one here. So let me do it now, because I think I'm rushing things here. Let me tell you, why did I enter here? Because on 5-minute time frame, what I see, guys, is 2 wicks. Actually, the problem with this wick, it is long. One of the trades hit the take profit already. Which one was it? GBP USD. GBP USD. Yes, GBP USD has hit the take profit and gave me a good profit. As you can see, guys, it was fast, it was quick. That's what I love about quick hit and run. And yes, we got it. Very good. Now, next. The next is reaching our entry signal level, and wait the sweet reversal to give us about 30 pips. Good. Go back to our other trades. This one here, if you guys have seen my last video, I mentioned that if you want to place your trade on a support level, just look at 2 candles with actually small wicks. This one is long, but it's okay, I took it anyway. And place your line of the entry like this, guys. You can see that, please focus here. We can see that the line which I'm drawing for the entry point is not like this, or not like this. It is like this. So I did not draw my line on the closing price of the candles or on the very bottom of the wick. I placed it here, which is giving me the best entry point possible, and we can see now the reversal is happening and my trade is in profit already. Very sweet, very nice hit and run session. Let's continue. Finding a candle at the very obvious level of support or resistance. Wait, let's see. Wow, look at that. Yes, look at that. Candle has reversed. Oh my god, I lost it. I missed a good one. Look at this, guys. Because we see this support level, and I draw my line exactly as I have explained before. The line is touching both of the wicks like this, and therefore we can see the good entry point. Wow, I missed it. Look at this. The candle has exactly reached this level and now bouncing, missing 3 pips. Not big enough, but it was good for scalping. I like it. So let's continue. The most beautiful thing about my strategy is you don't need to look at the directions. You don't need to do a hell of analyzing. Small analysis is fine. Just see the price action, look for support and resistance, and boom, enter. So I'm just waiting to see good spot. Nothing yet. Most of the times now market is ranging only. Okay, here, look at this, guys. What we have here is a support consisted of one long wick. Only one long wick for this support here. So what should I do? How can I draw my support line here? In this case, my support line, I will draw it like this, at the very bottom of this wick here. That is what you should do if you have a support consisted of just one long wick. So what I can do, wait a minute, after now some consideration, maybe I should draw it like this. Yeah, like this, because it's touching both of these two wicks here. So my entry point should be triggered right away at this point here. The spread is a bit high, 0.5 pips, 0.7 pips for the NZD CHF. Let's see. I think my entry is good so far, but let's wait and see, please. Yeah, I think it should be good entry. And keep in mind the spread. My entry point, guys, was actually on the blue line, so it was good. It was good, and almost there is a reversal about to happen. Meanwhile, let me search for another setup. Again, what I'm looking for. Okay, here, fast. Okay, because I will explain later. What I'm looking for example, like this. If you have seen my last video, this resistance is consisted of just 3 wicks. So drawing my resistance line should be placed like this, exactly at my entry point. This is one of my favorite price action, and I love it because it's giving me good profit almost all the time. You can see the candle desperately trying to go up, desperately trying to break this level, but I believe it will fail because I know what I'm saying. This price action is so strong and I trust it like no other, and therefore I'm sure the candle is going to reverse, going down until this nearest support, and should give me about 11 pips. That is nice. So let's just wait and see what will gonna happen. I want to show you that I really trust myself and I know what I'm saying to you. Look at the candle now. It's falling down, falling down. It cannot break it. This price action is so strong. In my opinion, one of the keys to be successful trader or successful day forex trader with consistent profit is to always look for one pattern, master it, and chase it. This price action here is what I trust the most, and therefore I'm sure this candle is going to fall down and it will give me some sweet profit of 11 pips. I think there is no doubt that the market will go down here until this level. And you can see this pathetic candle which is trying desperately right in front of you live to break this level. I'm sure it will not be able to. So let me set my take profit right right here. Okay, so let's chase our trades. Now, yes, this is the one I told you about, USD CHF. This is the one I entered because of this price action on the support, and you can see the candle is moving up about 6 pips of profit. Other one, this one is still struggling. Actually, somehow I don't trust this one so much. The reason is this one here is good as a price action for the wicks, but the problem is the small tiny body. This is like harami. I think it will reverse in the end, but it's not the best thing to trust. This one here, however, it seems like the candle is struggling to break out from this level. Let me tell you now about my stop loss. how can I set my stop loss if things went against me, which might happen sometimes. If this candle will close as a breakout candle, then I'm going to stop loss and close the trade with $6 loss. So far, no. The candle will fall down. This is not a breakout. The breakout is this or this. The breakout is a full bar with just a small wicks or no wicks at all. So you can see this is a breakout, this is a breakout, but this one here is not a breakout. This is just the same level of the resistance. We are still on the same level of this resistance. Therefore, I'm sure the candle now will fall down and it's going to give me good profits. And you can see now my trade of the USD CHF, it's about to hit the take profit. Actually, I should have the take profit has been hit. I could have give this signal to my group, but the problem, it happened way too fast. This is the problem I'm facing with my signal group. The trades are happening way too fast. There was almost no time to give this trade. And this one here also now is reversing. And let's see this one. This one's still struggling. Now, I can close this trade and profit only if I see this candle closing like this as a full bar. Then yeah, I have lost. But I know this price action. I'm familiar with it, and I know most likely it's going to give me some sweet profits unless the market today was not loyal to me. So let me now jump to the last trade of the video. Let me search for some good setup. I need to find the candle on a support or a resistance level. Here we go. Let's move to the 1 minute. And on 1 minute, we can see that the candle is at the level of a breakout. There was a support. So fast, quickly, place buy. Place buy. Please keep in mind, you cannot place such kind of trades unless you are using IC markets. Only with IC markets with the extremely low spread count, you can do this kind of trade on 1 minute time frame. So my take profit will be at the next nearest support, which is here. 3 pips profit, it's fine. Let me see now if the trade is going against my direction. If this will close as a breakout candle, I'm going to close it with a loss. Remember, yeah, even if I'm in loss, I have some other trades going to keep me in profit or to reduce the losses to the maximum. So even if I lost the trade of Euro NZD, I'm still making profit on the NZD CHF. I believe that is the one we talked about before. No, yeah, it's reversing, it's going up. So far 2 pips. Let me set my take profit to be at the nearest resistance, which is here, this long wick here, and here also. So we can see here that this is the nearest resistance. I set this as my take profit, almost 8 pips. That's very nice. This is the one I told you about with the price action, and I told you, yes, it's going down. It's taking me down with it for the profit, and so far it is in profit even after the commission deduction. Perfect. Only this one now struggling with it. So far the price action telling me that it should be going up. It should be going up. Otherwise, I'm going to close it with a loss, and I believe, yeah, that's fine. It's enough. I closed it with a loss. I reduced my losses to be about, where did I enter exactly? I entered here. Only 1.5 pips loss. That's perfect. Look how many pips I have earned so far, and I control my loss to be only 1.5 pips, only because I know what I'm doing and I am controlling myself. So again, last trade. Let's go to the 5 15-minute time frame here. I am on a resistance attempt number, this is attempt number 1, attempt number 2, but don't enter yet. Go to the 5-minute time frame, see the price action, 1-minute time frame, and I believe should be fine. Should be fine. I entered on the 1-minute time frame, so let me set my take profit to be at the next nearest support, which is here. The beautiful thing when you do this, look at this. I entered at the absolutely highest resistance possible. Therefore, if my losses, or sorry, if I lose, my loss will be very reduced or very less. Look at that. My profit will be, let's make it more. Okay, my profit will be 6 pips, and if I lose, I will close it with about 2 to 3 pips loss only. That is fine, guys. It's fine. Look at that now. I am in $11 profit because of my understanding of how the market is working. So you can see now my trade, this one is in profit. It's going in profit. Just to be safe, to secure it, I will close it. So now I close this trade in profit. The next one, this is the one I told you about with the price action, and it's falling down, giving me $9 profit. I will close it. And this one now, we are still struggling with it. I'm just waiting to see the price action. This is what I'm doing. Just secure the profit, close the trade, end it. I'm only setting the stop loss and take profit only in case the market went against my direction. Maybe sometimes there will be unexpected news, some terrorist attack here or there. Something might happen and make you lose. So let me just set my take profit just in case something bad happened. I have actually forgot to set my stop loss and the other trades because I checked the news before recording and there was nothing. So anyway, the trade is going in profit. It's going in profit so far. Our signal, yes, you can see now my assistant Angela. She actually my partner Angela. She have sent another signal for the GBP CAD, mentioning where to stop loss, take profit, and the stop loss and the sell. So like this, our signal group is doing fine so far, and hopefully we will have another good results. So far we are having good results almost every day. Actually every day we are ending it with good profit. Let me show you example. Most of the time it's only profit, consistent profit, 6 pips profit, 11 pips profit, 6 pips profit, 10 pips loss sometimes, yes. Break even, loss sometimes. Let me go down here, show you yesterday 10 pips profit. Anyway, we are doing very well, and encourage you guys if you want to view the channel. By the way, I'm sending one free signal on my Extreme Trader channel. This one here, I have sent Euro USD signal the other day, and it ended with 11 pips profit. I'm trying my best to catch up and keep posting the free signals, but sometimes I just get busy and I just cannot find that setup to send it to the free signal group. Anyway, guys, I don't want to make this video so long, almost 30 minutes, and this trade I will keep my eyes on it, but this session was very successful. And imagine if you can keep doing this the whole day, how much money you will have by the end of the day. You will end with decent profit. Look what I did, guys. I closed the trade with like $9 profit, $11 profit, $8 profit. So by end of the day, I can have about $70 to $80 of profit every day. but only if you know what you are doing, only if you are able to read the candles. So please, please practice more, learn more. It's fine to ask questions. Don't stop learning. Don't give up. Trust me, your hard work will pay back to you. Your hard work will always pay off, and you will be rewarded in the end of the day. No matter how long the day is, in the end, there will be a profit for you if you just keep practicing. Don't give up. If everyone will give up, then nobody will make any profit from this market. If I have given up 6 years ago, I would never have been where I am today. So as you can see now, my trade is in profit. Finally, $1. It's going down. It's going down in the profit. Hopefully, it will hit the take profit. So again, guys, I will need to close the video. Look at that, guys. Check it out. How the candle just fall down, and I'm going to close it, securing $4 of profit. This setup here is taking some time to be reached, but I'm sure in the end it's going to reach this level and my signal will be activated. So anyway, guys, 31 minutes video. I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.